Back with a little mini series of our canvas tent camping over there. Built it last August into the fall. Started from an opening on the rocks, as you can see, to the chalet it is now. We took about 6 weeks of building from after work and weekends, and one ran out of work at work. Came out and worked on it. I had done a bunch of research on canvas tenting and whatnot for how people set up and whatnot, and I wanted a little more comfortable than a lot of people had been setting up with just tents straight on the ground or plywood down with, or pallets with plywood on top of them for flooring. So went a little more cabin style flooring setup, which took most of the time. Built a little kick wall to give you full height right around the whole brim of the wall, and have enough room to put the loft up in there and still have room to have a full-size mattress with sleeping space. The plan is for this little mini series is to show you how I did it, and for people that are looking at canvas tenting and want to do the little more in-depth build. Yeah, I'll do a step-by-step for the floor, walls, insulation, electrical, the loft, the composting toilet, heating, and that's pretty much it. Just finished doing the few chores we need to do for the cold weather. Sitting down, relaxing, enjoying our fire. This is the lake. Walk up the hill here. Kept the privacy of the trees. A little bit of clearing we had to do. Letting it dry out to use for firewood. Just finished pulling out the water pump from the lake. Had it down in the water over there. Had 100 feet of hoses and cables running up. A little bit of an incline. Here is the shack. Got the fuel tank there. Platform's elevated off the ground. So we'll get into the building of the platform, which is a 16 by 16 platform. Get into the insulation of the floor, the new heating source, which is a wood stove, the propane for the cooking, electrical. Do a little walk around to the tent. Go inside here. Real, I think it's a 32-inch door. Got a good seal. Got the diesel drip stove for the moment. The loft, eating area slash relaxing area. The cooking stove, sink, cabinets, slop pail. The bathroom with composting toilet, which we'll get into, and a little bit of storage space that I'd like to put in a futon, but lighting. But yeah, so make a step through. I'll put in the links as this video runs through so you can click in and see the extended versions. Thanks for watching.